Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today I'm here with the update of an IPO. IPO is coming in this week only. I will share everything about the name and the important dates and information, financial information about this. So, to know the name and the dates about IPO, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update, stock and news update, of course, indices levels update. So, as you all know, the so many IPO is coming up. New IPO is coming, which is Grow. So yes, 29th October, Grow has announced its IPO, and I will share every update information about this. So first of all, the price band. The price band is 95 to 100 पर शेयर. सो 95 से 100 के बीच में इसका प्राइस बैंड होगा एंड द लॉट साइज इज 150 शेयर पर लॉट. 150 शेयर का एक लॉट होगा एंड यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर द वन मिनिमम वन लॉट और उससे भी ज़्यादा. सो वो अलग अलग कैटेगरी होती है लाइक रिटेल एंड HNI, वो उसमें यू कैन अप्लाई. सो दिस इज द प्राइस बैंड ऑफ 95 to 100. Now next, the size of IPO is 6,632 crore. So 6,632 crore का size का ये IPO है. And whereas the fresh issue is also there and OFS is also there. So fresh issue is rupees 1060 crore and the OFS offer for sale is 5570 crore. So total हो जाता है 632 करोड़ का साइज का ये IPO है. फ्रेश इशू भी है, दैट इज गुड न्यूज, एंड OFS भी है. टोटल 6632 करोड़ size of this IPO. And of course, the important date, the IPO is set to open for the subscription is on 4th of November. So from 4th of November to 7th of November, this IPO is going to open for रिटेलर्स ऑल्सो. एंकर इन्वेस्टर का थर्ड को हो गया है. सो फॉर रिटेल इन्वेस्टर एंड फॉर पब्लिक इट इज गोइंग टू ओपन ऑन 4th of November to 7th of November. You have to apply. If you want to apply for this IPO, you have to apply within these dates. And now let's discuss about the company, the grow is definitely a brokerage company जैसे Zerodha and Angel One है. So platform for investing, for mutual fund, for ETF trading, for everything. So this is company which is brokerage company providing the platform, investing platform, trading platform, and even for mutual fund also. This is a Bangalore based fintech company, and the CEO is the Lalit Keshri. And the financial year 2025, their financial result was like revenue was 4056 crore and the net profit was rupees around 1900 crore. The company is doing very good in their financial. Margin is 44.85%. And if we discuss the financial also, the company is doing very good and everything I have cleared. Like this is a fresh issue also and OFS also, so you should know all these things before. Allotment of IPO shares will be finalized by the November 10th, while Grow shares will be available for the trading and investing on BSE also and NSE also. दोनों ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये ट्रेड करेगा. And the company's listing is on November 12th. So 12th November is listing. Allotment may be on 10th of November. And the subscription तो मैंने बता ही दिया है, already started from 4th of November. So this was overall important update and information about the company. The company has reserved up to 75% of IPO shares for qualified institutional buyers. Like SBI Mutual Fund also has invested in this, and 15% for non-institutional investment, जो कि institutional तो नहीं होते, but they are applying in bigger lots. Remaining 10% shares for retail investors. Retail investor like you and me. Investor can bid for a minimum of 150 share. Just I just discussed, the one lot is for 150 equity, 150 equity shares. And yes, and you have to apply minimum for one lot. As you all know, एक lot के लिए apply minimum करना ही पड़ता है at the higher price. As 9500 का price है तो 100 के price पे you should apply. So this was overall important information update about the Grow IPO. Please let me know in comment section that you are going to apply or not. And if any doubt or question, you can ask me. And like and share video with the friends and others also, so that they will be also aware before dates, important dates. Subscribe the channel for these kind of stock market update, stock and news update, and sectors update. Signing off.